take good.
Get it on the other side of that fender or that thing.
Yep.
And then now, here, bring it back a little
Back.
towards that way.
Okay.
All right, I'm trying to just. You're a little bit off.
So tonight, when we have the hood down, the car looks like it's done.
Let me just drill out this hole
My
a little bit.
Facebook post of, oh hey, guy in the 20 car. You can please look like me. And have fun painting the wall that here we are, motherfucker.
We could probably take some of this out.
Alright, yeah, some tape over there would be
Look
good.
at you, girl.
Somebody give
Oh,
me some
girl,
tape.
we're fabricators, if nothing else.
All right, that's all I'm going to.
Go for
Nestle,
it.
give me some tape, buddy.
Oh, there you go. Get it.
Round.
Oh, we only got one ear again. God damn it.
What the fuck?
Maybe we should put some washers.
Yeah.
Drill that out and let's put some washers.
All right, where's my
Shit,
drill?
that bad.
Yeah, I was saying the rivet's not done yet. Well, you haven't got the rivet out.
I haven't gotten the rivet out?
No,
What the fuck did I get out?
I don't know. You
The
got
head?
you got the head.
Someone got head.
Where am I drilling?
So this one here is no good, and this one here is no good.
Oh my god.
Right here.
Oh, shit the bed.
Shit, that bad.
Shit the bed.
Yeah,
This week's
there.
video, class videos are ridiculous.
There, now you're good. Okay, let's rivet that fucker.
Can we squeeze those pieces together? I have a squeezers. How
Oh.
about a pair of pliers?
Where are the vice grips?
There's a long pair here. Do you need a long one?
Yeah, that's beautiful.
That works.
That'll hold it.
Duct tape.
Well, right there's where you're.
Recap.
Well, the car looks like a car now.
The car looks like a car.
You can pose how you want.
I was just running like a fool.
I'm glad I had an extra nose up on there because everything else is F.
Are you happy?
It looks like a Camaro.
Is it everything you could have hoped
It's
for?
gonna look like a Camaro went up 20 cars ass.
It's not a Camry and it's not a Tesla. It's a Camaro.
But it might be a Mustang if some people at the
I heard about
dealer
that.
pays me to check.
Heard about that.
You should call Elon and turn it into a Model 3.
Oh. Dear.
Just get a DeLorean kit.
Cut.